Experiencing checkout problems with the Tesco app? You're not alone. Basket errors, slot booking conflicts, and payment profile issues are common, especially during peak periods. These issues generally stem from problems with inventory synchronization, high demand for delivery slots, or card verification failures. First, try the simplest solutions. Force close the app and restart it. Clear the app's cache. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If these don't work, focus on the specific error you're encountering. Let's tackle basket errors first. Refresh the basket to ensure it reflects current stock levels. Remove any unavailable items that appear. Logging out and back in can resync your basket with the latest inventory. For slot booking problems, book your slot well in advance, especially for weekends or promotions. Ensure your postcode and address details are correct and up to date in the app. If delivery slots are unavailable, consider switching to click and collect for easier pickup. For payment profile errors, double-check your card details, including expiry date and billing address. Ensure you have sufficient funds available. Try a different payment method or re-add your card. The Tesco app version 7.8.2 includes biometric authentication for simpler verification. If problems persist, check the Help section in the app or contact Tesco support directly. Regular app updates and avoiding peak shopping times can help prevent future issues.